review show, so I will be reviewing a Nat Geo book called Animal Encyclopedia. So the reason I love this book is that you learn a lot by reading it, and it is very interesting if you love animals. So let's begin with the title. So this little yellow square here means Nat Geo, where it says right here, Nat Geo. So it has these pictures of animals on it. So there are fish, mammals, birds, amphibians, reptiles, and much more in this book of species. And the title is Animal Encyclopedia. It contains 2,500 animals with photos, facts, maps, and more. So let's begin. So the first page is this. So usually in these books, it shows pictures like this. It shows all these pictures. And then let's go to the large cats. Now let me tell you my favorites. The jaguar, the clouded leopard, the tigers, the leopard, and the snowy leopard. So let's start with the jaguar. So usually it shows a colored dot in some habitats, which these little dots with, like, this one has a river, this one has a tree, and this one has grass. And it shows what all these mean at the end of the book. So it usually shows the range, size, diet, and facts. So every one of these have one. Like this one, I know that the red means alert. So the snow leopard is alert. So sometimes it shows this big thing, and then it shows this title and some patterns. So let's go to small cats, small and medium. So my favorite in here are all of them. So there's serval, margray, bobcat, cheetah. There is also fishing cat, ocelot, and Canada lynx. So they're all the same. So this place says here, kitty kitty. So the margray, its range is northern Mexico to Uruguay and northern Argentina. So let's go to seals, sea lions, and furred seals. I like seals, sea lions, and furred seals because they're pretty, they're fun to look at, they're fun to watch, and they're fun to just learn about. So the walrus is cool, and also the elephant seal, because the walrus have their big tusk and the elephant seals have their big noses. So let's move on. So I marked this page because it has eagles, falcons, hawks, and owls. So I love the snowy owl and the bald eagle. So it says the snowy owl lives in northern and North America, and its diet is small mammals, birds, and fish. And the American bald eagle, most people know that it eats fish, reptiles, amphibians, mammals, and carrion. So let's go to turtles and tortoises. Turtles and tortoises are fascinating because do you know why there's a difference? Anyone know? Well, it's because turtles live in water and tortoises live on land, because they're sort of different. Iguanas, chameleons, and relatives. So the common green iguana, the alligator lizard, and the field chameleon, or any kind of chameleon, are amazing. So the chameleon can change its color. It's not for camouflage or stuff. I think it's for moods. And the common green iguana, it looks like a dragon, doesn't it? And I love the alligator lizard because look at those scales. It's very pretty green. It's emerald green. It's very pretty. There's the pink iguana where it looks kind of silly. And here are bugs and flies. So these are very fascinating. Magic cicada. I do not why it's called magic cicada. And common blue damselfly. I think the damselfly looks like a dragonfly. And the cicada, boom, big noise. So, this is what I was talking about it would explain all of it. So it says right here, and right here it says alert, domesticated, under study, not listed. And over here it says the habitats, like urban areas, cities, indoor parks, and gardens. And coniferous forest and woodlands. So it says websites, places to visit, DVDs, and books. I really suggest that you go to National Geography. So I hope you go to nationalgeographickids.com. It's a great place to go. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Layla's Review Show. Goodbye.